Did you know that nearly 50% of people over the age of 50 will break a bone due to osteoporosis? That's right. Nearly half of us could be facing a major fracture simply because we aren't taking care of our bones. But the good news is, it's not too late to change that. The secret lies in what we eat. Today, we're going to talk about the 7 superfoods that are absolute powerhouses when it comes to boosting your bone health. These foods are rich in calcium, vitamin D, and other vital nutrients that strengthen your bones and help prevent conditions like osteoporosis. If you're ready to protect your bones and keep them strong as you age, stick around, because you won't want to miss what's coming up, especially number 3. Let's get started with our list of the top 7 superfoods for stronger bones. Number 7. Kale. Kale is often touted as a superfood, and for good reason. This leafy green is packed with calcium. 1 cup of cooked kale contains about 100 milligrams of calcium. But it's not just the calcium that makes kale great for your bones. It's also loaded with vitamin K, which helps regulate calcium in the body and supports bone mineralization. Kale is low in oxalates, which means your body can absorb more of its calcium compared to other greens like spinach. In addition to its calcium and vitamin K content, kale is also a fantastic source of antioxidants. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones as you age. Chronic inflammation can weaken bones over time, so loading up on anti-inflammatory foods like kale is a great way to support your overall health. A great way to incorporate more kale into your diet is by making it a staple in your meals. You can add it to your salads, blend it into smoothies, or sauté it as a side dish. For added flavor, toss kale with olive oil and garlic, both of which also promote bone health. Number 6. Almonds. When you think of almonds, you probably think of healthy fats and protein, but they're also a great source of calcium. Just a handful of almonds provides about 75 milligrams of calcium, plus magnesium, which is key for calcium absorption. Magnesium also plays a role in converting vitamin D into its active form, which further aids bone health. But that's not all. Almonds also contain phosphorus, another key mineral for bone strength. Phosphorus works alongside calcium to build and maintain healthy bones and teeth. So, while almonds are often recognized for their heart health benefits, they also play a major role in keeping your bones in top shape. Incorporating almonds into your daily routine is easy. Snack on them throughout the day. Add them to oatmeal or yogurt, or even use almond flour as a healthier alternative to regular flour when baking. Just remember, moderation is key. Although almonds are packed with nutrients, they're also calorie-dense, so a small handful is enough to reap the benefits. Number 5. Sardines. Don't let their small size fool you. Sardines are an excellent source of calcium and vitamin D, 2 critical nutrients for bone health. In fact, just 1 small can of sardines contains about 370 milligrams of calcium, which is about a third of your daily recommended intake. And because sardines are a fatty fish, they're rich in vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium more effectively. Not a fan of sardines? You're not alone. Their strong flavor can be off-putting to some. However, there are plenty of ways to make them more palatable. Try adding sardines to a pasta dish with olive oil, garlic, and fresh herbs. The strong flavors of the other ingredients will help mask the sardines' taste, while still giving you all the nutritional benefits. Sardines also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids not only support heart health but also reduce inflammation in the body, which is vital for keeping your bones strong and healthy. Number 4. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a surprising source of calcium. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 180 milligrams of calcium. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3s, which help reduce bone loss and improve bone density. Omega-3 fatty acids work to protect bone tissue from damage, making chia seeds a great addition to a bone-strengthening diet. In addition to calcium and omega-3s, chia seeds are a good source of phosphorus and protein, both of which are essential for building and maintaining strong bones. Protein is often overlooked in bone health discussions, but it's actually a key component of bone tissue. Without enough protein, your bones may become brittle and weak. One of the best things about chia seeds is how versatile they are. You can easily add them to smoothies, mix them into yogurt or oatmeal, or use them in baked goods. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like texture, which makes them perfect for thickening smoothies or creating chia pudding. This can be a delicious and healthy snack that supports your bones. Number 3. Fortified Plant-Based Milks. If you're lactose intolerant or prefer a dairy-free lifestyle, there are plenty of plant-based milk options that are fortified with calcium and vitamin D. Almond, soy, and oat milk are just a few examples of plant-based milks that can provide as much, or even more calcium than cow's milk. What's great about fortified plant-based milks is that they're often lower in calories and saturated fat compared to traditional dairy. But make sure you check the label. Not all plant-based milks are created equal. Some brands are fortified with calcium and vitamin D, while others are not. Always opt for the fortified versions to ensure you're getting the nutrients your bones need. Plant-based milks are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes, from smoothies to soups to baked goods. They're an easy swap for dairy and offer a great way to get your daily dose of calcium and vitamin D without any of the lactose. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only a fantastic source of calcium, but it also provides probiotics, which are great for gut health. A single serving of Greek yogurt can give you up to 20% of your daily calcium needs. Plus, it's rich in protein, which helps preserve bone density as you age. Probiotics in Greek yogurt are beneficial for more than just your digestion. They can also help with calcium absorption. A healthy gut ensures that your body can efficiently absorb the nutrients you eat, including calcium. So, when you eat Greek yogurt, you're not just feeding your bones, you're also supporting your digestive system, which plays a key role in bone health. For a bone-boosting snack or breakfast, try pairing Greek yogurt with chia seeds, almonds, or fresh fruit. You'll not only get a delicious meal, but also a significant boost of nutrients for your bones. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon is truly a superfood when it comes to bone health. Not only is it rich in vitamin D, but it also contains high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce bone inflammation and support overall bone density. Wild-caught salmon in particular is a fantastic source of both calcium and vitamin D. If you're looking for a delicious and easy way to incorporate more salmon into your diet, try grilling or baking it with a simple seasoning of herbs and olive oil. Pair it with a side of leafy greens, like kale or spinach, for a meal that's packed with bone-strengthening nutrients. Salmon is also great for supporting joint health, which is important for maintaining mobility as you age. So, not only will salmon help keep your bones strong, but it will also support your overall skeletal health, keeping you active and healthy for years to come. And there you have it, 7 superfoods that can help you build stronger, healthier bones. Whether you're loading up on kale, snacking on almonds, or adding more salmon to your diet, these foods will go a long way in protecting your bones from fractures and diseases like osteoporosis. Remember, bone health isn't just about calcium. It's about getting a variety of nutrients, including vitamin D, magnesium, protein, and omega-3s. By incorporating these superfoods into your diet, you'll be giving your bones the support they need to stay strong and healthy as you age. So, which superfood are you excited to add to your diet? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on health and nutrition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.